Heavenly Father, as the sun rises on this Saturday, grant me the strength to face the day with gratitude and joy. May your light guide my steps. Lord, I pray for healing and restoration for those who are sick or hurting. Bring them comfort and relief, and may they feel your healing touch today. Divine Father, may this Saturday be filled with moments of joy and laughter, and may I find peace in knowing that you are always by my side. God, bless me with opportunities to spread kindness and love to those around me on this Saturday. Let my words and deeds reflect your compassion and grace. Lord, I pray for protection over my loved ones as they go about their day on this Saturday. Keep them safe from harm and surround them with your love and grace. Dear Lord, I surrender my worries and fears to you on this Saturday, knowing that you hold me in the palm of your hand. Grant me your peace that surpasses all understanding.